Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. We're doing a drive with me. Well, actually, I'm in the passenger seat, so we're gonna drive with me. We're gonna be doing a passenger seat with Kiara. That made no sense. You know what I mean. We're driving from Portland to Seattle. We had a traumatizing experience. I am mentally, emotionally scarred from a pop tire. I'm like literally, okay guys, I have trauma from pop tires. I popped my tire driving to school and I drove 10 minutes on the freeway with a pop tire. Literally, I had no air left in my tire. I almost broke my car, and so anytime there's a pop tire, I like shake and have like traumatizing flashbacks like from my childhood. Like,
now this makes sense.
Now you know why.
Now I really know why.
So if you want to learn how to fill up a tire, if you want to learn how to pop a tire, do what I do and drive on pop tires.
So, basically we've never done one of these, so we're gonna be experimenting.
I'm nervous. I feel like if I was driving, doing one of these, I would be, okay, I don't swear, but when I drive, I'm like,
same. I'm not gonna lie, I definitely swear when I'm driving. It happens.
That's a coping mechanism with the horrible drivers. But people in Oregon are not as bad as Arizona. Because in Arizona, they're like, oh, you're going 80 in a 45. Well, you need to speed up, so let's cut you off.
Crazy. Yeah, no, people are a little bit more chill here. Like, we're keeping it calm, we're keeping it cool. We're going above the speed limit because we're not trying to be grannies, but
as long as everyone speeds together, it's fine. The flow of traffic, but like double the speed limit flow of traffic.
You guys are actually driving with us. Like, you're actually attached to our window right now.
You're literally suction cupped to a window. Isn't that funny? You're like,
so cool.
Think about it right now. You're sitting in your bed watching this, probably eating food in your pajamas. Oh my god, you're suction cupped to a window. So fun fact, Kiara and I went to the same place twice, and the first time Kiara was extremely lost, even though she goes there all the time. Honestly, I have never met a person more directionally challenged than me.
What? No, I think I'm more.
I told you how I mapped to my school for 2 weeks.
Okay, that's pretty bad. 299B Northwest. I'm trying not to swear. I'm trying not to swear.
I think I got it.
I did it. Yes. Actually, I might have not got it.
No, you did.
No. No.
You did.
No. You can't tell, Keegan, because all the freeways go the same direction.
What? I have a playlist called an all playlist, and it's a bunch of songs that make me go, aww.
Aww. I don't know the words to songs very well, so if you just see my words, my lips just kind of like try. Do you want to know a secret?
So fun fact, you guys, if you are singing a song and you don't know the words, mouth watermelon over and over, and that's how you make it look like you. That's how you make it look like you know the song.
Greetings, loved ones.
Oh, this is good.
Let's take a journey.
I know a place underneath the palm trees, and bye, Katie.
Oh, wait, do I know this one?
You don't know She Wolf?
No, I think I do. I feel like this song could like make a comeback right now.
I hope so. Do you remember when Shakira was on Wizards of Waverly Place pretending to be Uncle Calvo?
Oh my god, I don't think I've seen that episode. Should I rewatch Wizards?
Give me watch it tonight. Do you ever remember Phil the Future?
Phil the Future. Why do I know that? But I don't.
Time traveled. Allie from Allie and AJ was in it. One day I watched every single episode. No, it wasn't a day, obviously, that's exaggerated. But I would say for a week, that's all I did. I did not talk to people. I did not go outside. I probably like lost a lot of strength because I just sat in my bed and watched Phil the Future on YouTube.
Oh my god. I love Taylor Swift. You are Taylor Swift.
When you said you needed space. What? I'm telling you, we are never, ever, ever.
Oh my god. This is it. Oh my god.
Oh, no. I just like something really embarrassing really quickly. Okay, so guys, you're gonna hate me for this. I know you're gonna hate me, especially because you don't like bacon. I had an obsession with bacon when I was in 5th grade. Like, unhealthy, like it was, I don't know why. So I literally made a remix of the song about bacon.
Oh my god. Do you still have it?
I probably know it by heart, but I'm not gonna do it. I didn't sing, I just wrote the lyrics. I wanted to be a professional singer like Taylor Swift growing up, and I realized I'm toned down.
Well, you could still be a songwriter. You don't have to sing your songs, you just
I also had no life experience when I was 10 years old to write songs.
So your like songwriting was like a day in the park, having fun.
I wrote a song called Love. It was about a boy that I thought I was in love with.
Wow, love life in 5th grade, man.
Are we an item? Girl, we're playing. We're just friends. What are you saying? And I was like, baby, oh, never.
Show them.
When I was 13, I had my first love. There was no way that compares my baby, no one ever comes to. So that was horrible. Had me going crazy. Oh, I was starstruck. She woke me up daily. Don't need no Starbucks. Woo! She made hot pound. to be when I see you in the street and cool on the plate. We're in Washington right now. I thought I would let you guys know in a little secret that I just told Kiara. Since I speed a lot.
So we were talking about cops and like how to spot
undercover cops, normal cops, undercover cops. By the way, soccer moms that drive Ford Explorers should not be allowed in America. Just my personal opinion. Ford Explorers should be cop cars only. How to spot out a cop car or an undercover car, like cop, whatever. You know what I'm talking about. Their license plate has to say G dash and then whatever the license plate. G dash means it's a government car. So undercover cops have G dash. So if you do that, you slam on those brakes and you go the speed limit. You go the speed limit. Your seatbelt locks, and that's how you spy an undercover cop. And you always want to be behind them, never in front. Most of the time they're white or black. Sometimes there's a yellow Mustang where I live.
Never seen that. That's terrible because I would never guess that.
It tries to race people. I personally think that's illegal. Anytime I see a white car, I'm like, and the windows are tinted. Ooh, girl, you better slow down.
You're gonna slow down.
Yeah. I hope you know Jonas Brothers.
Oh, I know this song.
Burning up with you, baby. Red dress. Have you seen that tweet about that?
No. Send me stuff.
I'm staying up all night long and hit my head against the wall because your love. Oh, this is so bad. Is my drug, my voice.
Gotta keep the vocal cords wet.
Hi. Won't listen to MPs is gonna be affected and I keep it up like a lovesick crackhead.
Update.
We're snack time.
We're in traffic and we're eating Sour Patch watermelon. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I dropped the, oh no. When I did it, the Sour Patch Kid fell and we're in Seattle. We just did an Instagram live.
I think Keegan really has to pee now.
So bad.
I'm really hungry now, but we're really excited.
And the 7 things I hate the most that you do. You make me love you. I smell like sweat right now.
No,
I can smell myself like,
oh my god.
7 things I hate about you. We have made it. We are in a parking garage. We're gonna go. I'm about to pee my pants. Yeah, so if you want to see what we're doing, check out Kiara's.
What's my name, Kiara?
Kiara who? That's my name. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you when I see you.
Thanks. Bye.